Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and today I'm going to show you how to earn passive income on your Bitcoin holdings using the Crypto.com platform. So let's get going. So Crypto.com has an exciting new way that you can earn passive income on your Bitcoin holdings. It's called Crypto Earn. And the idea is that you're going to deposit cryptocurrency in your Crypto.com account and then put it to work earning passive income. You can earn up to 8% on your cryptocurrency holdings using this method. So let me show you how it works. All right, so Crypto.com is an iOS-based cryptocurrency exchange. You can see it there on the second row of apps. I'm just going to launch it for you. And here we are at the home screen. So you can see that it incorporates a crypto wallet, that I have some cryptocurrency stored on the Crypto Earn, and there's also an MCO Visa card where you can load crypto into the card and spend it very easily at any merchant that accepts Visa. Today I'm going to focus on the Crypto Earn feature. Now this is where we can deposit our holdings and earn up to 8% interest. So I'll tap Crypto Earn here. And you can see that I already have some holdings in there, and they're earning interest for me. All right, I have a little bit of BNB in there, but I'm going to focus on Bitcoin today. I'm going to show you how you can deposit Bitcoin and earn up to 8% interest. So let's take a look. When we hit the plus up here, all right, you can choose different cryptocurrencies that you can deposit here. And look at the tiers that they have. The flexible, which pays 4%, will allow you to deposit your holdings into Crypto.com and earn 4% and gives you the option of withdrawing them at any time. And you'll just accumulate that 4% as you go. Now the 1 month tier requires you to deposit it for at least 1 month and you'll earn 6%. I'm going to do the 3 month. I'm going to earn 8% on my Bitcoin holdings by depositing them here in Crypto.com. Now, before I get started, I'm going to need to put some Bitcoin into my wallet. So I'll show you how to do that. All right, so I'm going to go to my wallet. As you can see on the bottom there's some icons. I'm going to tap Wallet, and it lists all the different cryptocurrencies that I'm holding and all the ones that I'm eligible to deposit. So I'm going to deposit some Bitcoin. So I'll tap that Bitcoin icon. And now that I'm in the Bitcoin interface, I can hit that QR code for deposit. And it shows me the Bitcoin address of my Crypto.com Bitcoin wallet. Now I want to get this onto my computer because I'm going to be withdrawing from a wallet on my computer. So I'm going to share that address with myself, basically. So I'm going to click Share. I'm going to choose Email. And I'm just going to email that address to myself so I'll have access to it from my computer. This will save me the pain of trying to type in this long address manually. All right, and now I can just send that off to myself. Now, let's go over to my Ledger Live software. This is where I have an interface to the wallets that I have stored on my Ledger device. You may have your Bitcoin somewhere else. I'm just going to show you how to take this Bitcoin that I've got stored out of long-term storage and put it to work for me. All right, so I'm going to go over here to Accounts. And as you can see, I have a small amount of Bitcoin here that's just sitting here. It's not doing anything. It's just being stored. So I want to put it to work for me. And Crypto.com is going to give me that opportunity. All right. So what I want to do is do a send, and I want to send it to a recipient address. Which address? The address that I just emailed to myself. All right, and there's that email. I'm just going to copy that address into my clipboard, and then I'm going to go over here and paste it in to the wallet interface. All right, and how much do I want to send? I'm going to send 0.2 Bitcoin, which is a little bit more than 2,000. Now this $2,000 worth of Bitcoin, if I deposit it in Crypto.com and earn 8% interest on that, that's $160. That's $160 that I didn't have before. And this Bitcoin is just sitting around. So I'll hit continue. And it wants me to open up my device. All right, so it's asking me to enter the Bitcoin app on my device. As you can see, the Bitcoin app is highlighted, and I'll hit both buttons and enter the Bitcoin app. All right, I'm going to hit continue. Now it wants me to review the transaction. And there's a little arrow there, so I'm going to press this button. It's telling me the amount that I'm sending, the address I'm sending it to, and the fees. All right, and then it wants me to accept. I'll hit both buttons. And now it wants me to review the fee transaction. That's the amount of fees that I'm going to be incurring on the Bitcoin network. Has nothing to do with crypto.com. This is a Bitcoin network fee. All right, and then I'll accept and send. And there we go. Now the transaction has been broadcast. Okay, so I just got an email confirming the deposit from crypto.com, that 0.2 BTC. It might take a few more minutes for it to fully confirm before it's spendable. So we'll just keep an eye on that. Okay, so I got my email confirmation that the deposit had been confirmed, and I also got a alert from crypto.com that BTC had been accepted and confirmed. So let's follow that guy over there. All right, and as you can see, our total balance has gone up by around $2,000, and we've got that little over $2,000 worth of Bitcoin safely deposited in our crypto.com account. So let's put that Bitcoin to work for us. Let's go down to where it says Crypto Earn. Let's tap Crypto Earn, and then we're going to add a new deposit to our Crypto Earn. You can actually have multiple deposits in your Crypto Earn with multiple coins. So today we're focusing on Bitcoin. So I'm going to tap that plus over there, and we're going to choose Bitcoin. And our term is going to be 3 months. So we're going to get the maximum return on our Bitcoin. So let's hit continue. And we're going to agree to all of these terms, and we'll hit continue. And how much Bitcoin are we going to put in there? If we tap, we can edit the field there, and then we can put our max down right below the button there. I can just tap that max. It'll autofill the full amount of Bitcoin that's in my crypto.com account. I'm going to hit deposit, and then I'm going to confirm that, everything that I'm doing. And there we go. It's done. So we'll tap anywhere to continue. Now let's take a look at our Crypto Earn holdings at the moment. Okay, I just got an email confirmation on that. Right, and you can see how they're separated. So I could put some coins in Crypto Earn on the flexible 4% term if I wanted to, and it would just show up in the list separately. So you can have multiple deposits and different terms, however you would like to arrange your holdings to earn passive income. So if you guys have any questions about anything that I did, please throw them up in the comments and I'll do my best to get them answered. Don't forget, I have a live stream every Friday night, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please join me for the live Q&A live from Michigan. Throw out any questions that you may have, and I'll do my best to get them answered right then and there. I hope to see you there. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me, and hope to see you again soon.